Good morning, my friends. Today I came to the Brooklands Museum for an Italian day car. And what a surprise, I just saw one of the Fast and Furious car. If you are my subscriber or not, I have done a video actually with one exactly more or less like this one. Here I am now inside the Brooklands Museum. Did you know here at Brooklands Museum they have the second oldest track in the world? The oldest actually is Shelsley Wash in Worcestershire County. Nevertheless, I'm going to see just Italian cars, Italian motorcycles, and perhaps I think they will take some cars on the oval track. I think they're going to take some cars and some people from the public for a drive there. Maybe I'm going to be lucky. Nevertheless, I'm going to show you awesome cars. I'm Mr. Wig. Let's go. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to Mr. Wig channel. As you know, I do like to make videos about cars, motorcycles, caravans, my own life, challenge, food reviews. Really? Oh, are you kidding me? Please, no F words in my channel. Holy moly! So let's do this epic video. Stay tuned. What a good start here, actually. I'm at the Lancia Owners Club, and these guys, they always bring you awesome cars. Just look at those classic ones. I love this Stratos. I think it's a replica, still stunning. That is one of my favorites. I actually never saw one in this color. This is the HF Integrale, nice in this turquoise color with a nice cream interior. But there's a red one there. There's a, I think it's a Lancia Tema, is that right? I had one of those. What a good memories. But this is the turbo 16 valve, but actually you could buy one with a Ferrari engine. Did you know that? You don't know, isn't guys? But I do know. These cars, my goodness, I tell you what, I had loads of problems with a car similar to this one, Integrale in red. You can buy the 8 valve or the 16 valve. Classic van, so I call them. This is a stunning, is mint, is in really good condition. Look at this car from 1933, are you kidding? This is a 4.2 litre, a 1964 Cooper T72 F3. Look at the technology on this car. Would love to have that one. All of them. There's several here. Is that Ayrton Senna's Mclaren there? That is stunning. This is a Abarth 1984 A7. Oh, I was right. This is a 1991 MP4 6 show car that was driven actually by Ayrton Senna. And there's another small museum, so I call them. So they did divide us. I said there's just one there, there's another here, and there's several here inside the Brooklands Museum. This is really stunning, let me to tell you. This year they changed, actually they used to have cars where I am here right now, but this year actually they put the Italian motorcycles that I will show you in a bit, because some of them, they are really stunning. Should we start with a 748 Ducati? There's another Ducati. This is 1098. Pretty cool. That is a limited edition, as you can see there. Look at this classic. This is a Benelli. Look at the Ducati 888. This is actually a replica perhaps of the Carl Fogarty racing bike when he started actually to race for Ducati, and even he was a privateer. with this or similar to this one at Donington Park. He won one of the races, racing replica motorcycle. That is stunning. This motorcycle is very expensive actually, it costs more than £50,000. This is a replica and a stunner from the MotoGP. We got here another Troy Bayliss replica motorcycle Paganelli. This Ferrari is one of the cheapest that you can buy today. This is the Ferrari 308 GTS that I do like. And look at this amazing color, the turquoise, in turquoise color with a nice brown and cream leather mixed together. This is a stunner. This is the T-top version, so it's more for the summer, but I still love this car, don't get me wrong. So we got the Alfa Romeo 75. This is a stunner as well, and so rare these cars. Another 308, but this is the GTB. This is stunning, isn't it? The Ferrari 348, that I'm such a big fan of this car as well. Look how stunning this Alfa Romeo. Are you kidding me? A nice detail with this type of grille, I would say. Do you remove them during the night? I think you do. The Fiat Panda, one of those was my first car, or similar. Obvious, there's two there with the in grey. What do you think of this Maserati 222 4-valve? Isn't this stunning? People, they bring the most beautiful cars. There's an Alfa Romeo, a Spider one. Look at this. This is a stunner. This is a Fiat actually. A van or a motorhome perhaps inside, because it's all done and it looks mint. Gorgeous, this Alfa Romeo. Perhaps some of you, they never saw even this car. This is the Alfa Romeo 166. This is a V6 actually. My goodness, 24 valve, this is a stunner. And there's the Maserati club here with so many Maseratis, from classic to the new ones ish, from the 80s, perhaps from the 90s, like that one there. This is cool actually, in blue with the cream leather, to the newish the MC20. This is cool. Actually, this supercar, so I call them the Maserati MC20, is the cheapest supercar actually that you can buy. I do like it. This is another part of the Maserati Owners Club, and my goodness, it looks like actually they are the biggest club here. There's plenty of them there. There's DINO Center just there on the right hand side, and all the way here back. My goodness, there's plenty of Gran Turismos here, plenty of them. This is a very cheap car to have, let me to tell you. They come with a Ferrari engine, but compared with the other Italian cars like the Ferraris and the Lamborghinis, this car is much cheaper. Still gives you satisfaction and thrills to drive these cars. And here I am on another car park with just Italian cars. Look at this. I can see for sure half a mile from here, and this is full just of Italian cars. Oh my goodness, there's so many here, and obviously this is huge. My goodness, there's another 200 yards, maybe 300 yards there. There's the Alfa Romeo Owners Club, and that's why there's plenty of here. My goodness, there's so many good rarities. Look at here, they just exposed the Alfa Romeo Spider. There's plenty of them, different colors. all from the end of the 80s and the 90s. There's the Alfa Romeo GTV. This is a really stunner. You can buy the 2-liter or the 3-liter V6. You're gonna see there's another Alfa Romeo 75 here. Look how rarity is this car. Stunner. What another beauty. The Alfa Romeo Veloce. This is a stunner. The GTV here. They got plenty of Breras here on the left and right hand side. And how stunning is this car. Look at this, the Giulia. This is a very fast car actually. What we got here, 164. This is a stunner. Look at that 3-liter V6. This car is very fast. Unfortunately, these cars, they do give a lot of electric problems. I know some owners, they do take care of themselves. They replace with different parts. But look at that. I'm just going to show you. Look how many more there are Italian cars there. There's plenty of food and drinks for all of you guys. Actually today is really good, but it doesn't matter if it's hot or cold, there's plenty. Oh, there's a fire brigade vehicle there. Really stunning. I can see the oval track that I will show you in a bit, guys. I think they are using not that part. I think they are not using that part, unfortunately. It's quite steep. Unless they are using, I'm not too sure, I haven't seen, but I need to go there to see. I know they are using some parts because the cars, when they arrive through there, they come down and they come back here again. A guy just broke half a mile from here from the show. I stopped my car, even I don't have a Ferrari, and I asked if he needed a hand. So big shout out to you. Sorry that your car broke down. Even a Ferrari, very expensive car and a fast car, it doesn't mean they are reliable. They do break as well. I still like this, the 360. They still stunning, these cars, the 599s. There's plenty of here. Look at that. Haha. They look happy. And look how fast is this car. It's doing the same speed as the Ferrari, so it's a fast car. I love your car, sir. Look at that. I'm tired to see red Ferraris. Look at that Fiat. Did he race with him on a track? No. As a Fiat Sport, this is a 2-liter 16-valve turbo. An iconic legend car, the Ferrari DINO. Another Ferrari 488. I don't know if he's living or if he's going on a track. They got all sorts of Ferraris here. Look at the Ferrari Pista. Are you kidding me? Wow, the Portofino, the 360, another 360. There's plenty of 360s here. There's a California there. There's another 430. This car is really stunning. Nice, this one, Ferrari 360 in dark blue. As we need to find a few classic ones. I just saw one. There's another 30, 430, 430, 430. So many, my goodness, look at that. This is what, 400 yards, I would say there. The Ferrari Owners Club. Nice, this 355 Le Mans blue color, so I call them. There's the 328 GTS. I'm a big fan of this car. Another Pista here. There's another 328 GTS here, side by side. Nice detail with a T-bar. It's nice because you can remove them and it will look like a cabrio. That's what this gentleman did. There's the 430, the 355. There's another Pista there in yellow.
I've been holding on, I wouldn't let you go. 'Cause every time I try, you find a loophole. I've been slamming the door and just leave you cold. When I come back, you've heated up the South Pole. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay. Keep on push or pull. And I am going mad just like you knew I would. You're reading me like an open. The escape, oh, my heart wants to stay. I'll run away, hit the road and almost land. But I keep turning back just like a boomerang. You're like a backseat ghost telling me to stop. No matter what you do, I keep on coming back. Just like a boomerang. I keep on spinning like a boomerang.
And what a treat for all of us here at the Italian Day Car and Motorcycle. There's a classic 500, Fiat 500 here, but there's the new ones. There's the normal ones, there's the limited edition, there's the Abarth. Some of them people, they do put body kits. I counted just roughly. There are over 300 of them here. Oh my goodness, I didn't realize actually it's a big club. I know there's plenty of them out there, Fiat 500s, but this is incredible. Actually, the majority here, I can see at least 80 to 90%, they are all Abarth. And cool actually. Abarth actually, they did make it for the first time, electric one. Look how steep is that. I would say from that point there is 10 foot high above me. So the cars, they would come here. Actually, they're going to bring some cars here today. They're going to race them here. I know all the racetrack, they can't use it. This is still incredible. This is still the original, guys. This is the second oldest track. Look at that awesome bridge actually. On the top you can have a really good a view from the cars coming from there. In the end, my goodness, actually 2 years ago I came and I did a video on top, so if you want you can see me where I actually did record there, but today they got these metal fences where you can't go there, understandably. When I came here actually they didn't use this area, they didn't use, I do believe this year they do have more cars. There's a Lancia here, the Fiat Uno, is that right? Or Cinquecento, Fiat Cinquecento. There's the Stratos, pretty cool. We got here, there's another Lancia. Oh cool, some of them actually they are selling. Look at that HF in yellow. Rally replica, looks stunning. There's a Lancia as well. Plenty of Lancias here today. I wonder actually if it's the club here. So we got a Ferrari DINO here, the Fiat 500, there's plenty of them. What a piece of history, this Concorde. It just looks stunning. Actually, you can have a tour inside. Can you see the steps there? You buy the tickets there. Here's a bus, but now you can go through there. We'll give you access. And you can book online as well. I don't know how much it costs, but wow, isn't this incredible? Where you going, sir? Right, walking. Yeah, he's got real people inside. Look at that. Even you can pay the ticket to that gentleman. Off he goes. Here we got a Murcielago in yellow. Cool, still love this car. Aventador in blue, always looks incredible. There's a Gallardo here in orange, looks stunning. A few more Aventadors here and there. Cool, actually he's going to take them on a track. There's another Gallardo there, another Gallardo, and so on, different models. Some of them, they are limited edition and they don't look amazing. And how amazing they look by this awesome plane, the Concorde. There's another plane here. There's a few more here. Oh, look at that. There's a Boeing 747 there. So this is for, maybe it's for the aviation. That's what it says there. Motorsport. The other, there's old-fashioned planes there. There's a few 747s like the Concorde there. Classic cars even outside. Look at this Bedford. This is really cool. Love this. Even Mike Brewer would be impressed with my finding. There's a 4x4 Defender and a BMC. Cool.
I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. I wanna do the things they say we shouldn't do. I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. Live life like it's a piece and break the rules. I wanna wake up in the morning.
Just got behind me the Mercedes World Museum. Let's go inside very quickly and check it out what cars they got there.
And I don't know which way to run. I'm on a settled path, a one-way road, and I can't take it anymore. I started, I can't stop it, stop it, stop it. I'm done with feeling lonely, lonely, lonely. Morning with someone new. Live life like it's a piece and break the rules. I wanna wake up in the
My friends, I'm going to end my video here at Brooklands Museum. As you just saw, I pop into Mercedes-Benz World Museum as well. It was pretty cool. So it's so close here to the Brooklands Museum. Would be a shame not to go there. Here at Brooklands Museum, I think I saw maybe just 90% of the Italian day car show. It was outstanding. Amazing cars, supercars, fast cars, classic cars, legend cars. unbelievable. Motorcycles as well. I'm a big fan actually of motorcycles. I'm ending here actually by my car, guys, because inside there's very loud music, so here I can talk and chat. There was amazing cars, amazing clubs here with more than 300 cars. That did blow me away. It could be just 10 or 20, but no, these clubs, they came in force. I would say there was over easy over 2,000 cars here. Now that it tells you how amazing it was here, this car show. Beautiful day, 17 degrees, I can't complain. I'm buzzing. This show was galactic, and he did that the Vava Vroom, guys. Shakalalulu. Stay tuned for another 10 years of Mr. Week's videos, guys. You are all awesome. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.